Can you tell me something about yourself?
Hi, I am Maria Antoinette Morales, 24, married, and from Philippines. I live in Talumpang, Molo, Iloilo City.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have kids?
No,
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister, and I am the eldest.
Okay. Tell me something about your educational background.
I am undergraduate in college. I finished 2 years at the course of BS Criminology, and I did not go back to college because of financial problems.
Okay, ma'am. Do you have work experience abroad?
Um, no, but I have experience here as a household worker in the Philippines for 2 years. My job is to cleaning the house, laundry, cooking, and taking care of a child.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
Um, Responsible, multitasking, and honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Okay. Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
I have surgery way back 2024 because of ovarian for CMCs.
Okay. Do you think it will affect your job?
No.
Okay. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to sustain the daily needs of my um, siblings and my family rather.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cat?
No.
Okay. Give me what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, good day to my future employer. I promise I'll do my best as a good worker, and if you have children, I will treat them and love them as my own, and I'll promise to stay in you until my contract ends. Thank you and God.
Okay, ma'am. Can you show me your hands? All right. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.